Welcome to 1 Minute Mastery. Be sure to follow and subscribe. In the dynamic world of finance, we delve into fundamental domains: investments, portfolio management, derivatives and risk management, and behavioral finance. Investments involve allocating capital to a diverse array of assets, weighing risks and potential returns. Portfolio management acts as the strategic conductor, optimizing asset allocation to align with financial objectives, skillfully balancing risk and return. Derivatives and risk management serve as the guardians, offering crucial tools to hedge against price volatility and proactively manage various financial risks. Lastly, behavioral finance plays the role of the insightful psychologist, deciphering the influence of psychology on financial choices and market dynamics. These interconnected domains not only drive financial strategies but also form the backbone of risk management, lending profound insights into the complex world of financial markets.